Your body is made of trillions of cells. And inside every single one of them, tiny biological machines are working non-stop to keep you alive. But none of it would function without one critical thing: proteins. Proteins are not just nutrients. They are the foundation of life itself. Right now, proteins are repairing your muscles, transporting oxygen through your blood, fighting dangerous viruses, sending signals through your brain, and helping your organs survive every second. Without them, the human body would completely collapse. Most people only associate protein with fitness and muscle growth. But the truth is far more fascinating. Some proteins keep your heart beating, others help your skin regenerate, and some are so important that without them, survival would be impossible within minutes. Today, we'll explore 8 essential proteins your body desperately needs and discover what happens when these incredible molecules stop working properly. Let's dive inside the human body. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. In fact, around 30% of all the protein in your body is collagen. Think of it as the structural framework holding everything together. Your skin, bones, tendons, cartilage, ligaments, and even blood vessels rely heavily on collagen. Without it, your body would lose strength and stability. Collagen gives skin its elasticity and firmness. It cushions joints and helps tissues recover after injury. But here's the problem. Starting around your mid-20s, collagen production slowly begins to decline. That decline accelerates due to stress, smoking, poor sleep, excessive sugar, and sun damage. This is one reason aging affects the skin and joints so dramatically. Wrinkles begin to appear, joints become stiffer, and tissue repair slows down. Vitamin C is especially important because your body cannot produce collagen properly without it. Foods that support collagen production include fish, eggs, citrus fruits, berries, bone broth, and leafy greens. Your body constantly rebuilds collagen every single day, but only if it has the right nutrients. Every cell in your body needs oxygen to survive, and the protein responsible for delivering that oxygen is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is found inside red blood cells. Its job is to capture oxygen in the lungs and transport it throughout the body. Without hemoglobin, your organs would quickly begin to fail. Your brain alone consumes enormous amounts of oxygen every day. That's why low hemoglobin levels can severely affect concentration, memory, and energy. When the body lacks healthy hemoglobin, a condition called anemia can occur. Common symptoms include fatigue, weakness, pale skin, dizziness, cold hands and feet, and shortness of breath. Iron is essential for hemoglobin production. This is why iron-rich foods are so important, including red meat, spinach, lentils, beans, and pumpkin seeds. Vitamin B12 and folate also help your body create healthy red blood cells. Every breath you take depends on this remarkable protein doing its job perfectly. Insulin is one of the most powerful and important proteins in the body. Produced by the pancreas, insulin controls how your body handles glucose, your main energy source. After you eat carbohydrates, glucose enters the bloodstream. But glucose cannot enter most cells on its own. Insulin acts like a biological key, unlocking cells so glucose can move inside and be used for energy. Without insulin, sugar builds up dangerously in the blood. This can lead to diabetes, a disease affecting hundreds of millions of people worldwide. Modern diets high in processed sugar and ultra-processed foods force the body to release insulin constantly. Over time, cells may stop responding properly. This condition is known as insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is strongly connected to obesity, heart disease, chronic inflammation, and type 2 diabetes. Healthy habits that improve insulin sensitivity include exercise, reducing added sugars, quality sleep, stress management, and eating more fiber-rich foods. Insulin quietly controls your energy levels every single day. Your immune system is one of the most advanced defense systems on Earth, and antibodies are some of its most powerful weapons. Antibodies are specialized proteins designed to recognize dangerous invaders like viruses, bacteria, toxins, and harmful pathogens. Once detected, antibodies help your immune system destroy them before they spread. Some antibodies remain in your body for years after infection. This creates immune memory, allowing your body to react much faster if the same threat returns. Vaccines work by training your immune system to produce specific antibodies safely. Without enough protein in the diet, antibody production can weaken. This may leave the body more vulnerable to infections and slower recovery. Sleep is also critical for healthy immune function. During deep sleep, your body strengthens immune activity and repairs damaged tissues. Even while you sleep tonight, antibodies will continue protecting your body non-stop. Every movement your body makes depends on two proteins working together, actin and myosin. These proteins create muscle contraction. When they slide across each other inside muscle fibers, movement occurs. This powers walking, speaking, blinking, breathing, and even your heartbeat. Your heart is actually one of the hardest working muscles in the body. It contracts over 100,000 times every single day using these protein systems. Exercise strengthens muscle fibers and stimulates protein synthesis. But inactivity has the opposite effect. When muscles aren't used regularly, the body begins breaking them down to conserve energy. This process is called muscle atrophy. Aging also reduces muscle protein production over time. This is why resistance training and sufficient protein intake become increasingly important as people get older. Your body was built to move, and proteins make that movement possible. Keratin is the protein responsible for your hair, nails, and outer skin layer. It acts as a durable protective barrier against environmental damage. Keratin helps protect the body from friction, heat, pollution, bacteria, and physical injury. Strong keratin keeps hair healthy and nails resistant to breaking. But nutritional deficiencies, chronic stress, hormonal imbalances, and poor health can weaken keratin production. This may cause hair thinning, brittle nails, and weaker skin barriers. Protein-rich foods, healthy fats, zinc, biotin, and iron all support keratin health. Even though keratin is often associated with appearance, it's actually an important survival protein. Albumin is one of the most important proteins circulating in your blood. Produced by the liver, albumin performs several critical functions. Its main job is maintaining fluid balance inside blood vessels. Without albumin, fluid can leak into surrounding tissues, causing swelling and dangerous complications. Albumin also acts like a transport vehicle inside the bloodstream. It carries hormones, vitamins, calcium, medications, and nutrients throughout the body. Low albumin levels may indicate liver disease, kidney problems, severe malnutrition, or chronic inflammation. Even though most people never hear about albumin, your organs rely on it constantly. Enzymes are specialized proteins that control nearly every chemical reaction in your body. Without enzymes, life would not exist. They allow reactions to happen fast enough to sustain human life. Some enzymes help digest food. Others help create energy inside cells. Some repair DNA, and others detoxify harmful substances. Your body contains thousands of different enzymes, each designed for a highly specific task. For example, Amylase helps digest carbohydrates, lipase breaks down fats, and protease helps digest proteins. Even slight enzyme imbalances can affect metabolism, digestion, energy production, and overall health. Temperature, hydration, nutrition, and sleep all influence enzyme activity. Every second of your life depends on enzymes functioning correctly behind the scenes. Proteins are far more than nutrients. They are the invisible machinery keeping you alive every second. They carry oxygen, repair damage, fight disease, power movement, control energy, and maintain the structure of your entire body. And right now, as you watch this video, trillions of proteins are working inside you non-stop. Which of these proteins surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to continue discovering the incredible science of the human body, subscribe to Nature and explore what's happening inside you right now.